Alright guys, so I actually messed up, so I'll show you the perfect example of what to do and what not to do. So you can see here the gun wasn't set right by the nozzle right here, so I was just spraying like straight out instead of misting, and it got way too thick, so that's all runs. Looks like maybe a little bit right there, and then definitely right there. And then over here, this is actually how you're supposed to do it. Just like that. You can see how just barely misted on, especially right in here, right here, right there. So I noticed after I did the first side over there, I was like, hey, that doesn't seem to be spraying right. So then I sprayed the seat. So that's how it was spraying. You see that big old blob? And I changed it so that it sprayed like that. So that's my bad, but that's all the part of learning how to paint, and that's just how it goes sometimes. So I'm gonna have to wait for this to dry, wet sand it, and just sand it down and repaint it. But for now, I'm gonna keep on going and finish the other stuff, and then just have to come back to that and maybe do it tonight or something. But yeah, it's really unfortunate, but that's just how it goes. So let me just finish it up here and get it done. Alright guys, so I went ahead and tried wet sanding it and got the run out, and same with back here. So now I'm going to try and see if I can't cover it up and blend it in so that it looks alright again. So here we go. Alright guys, so here is the color. I'm about to put it back in the shop because the wind's actually starting to pick up, and it did sprinkle, but the weatherman says it wasn't supposed to rain, but it does look like rain right there. But so here's this one side. This is kind of in the shade. You guys can tell the silver. I actually did kind of mess up because where the run was, I did just another little mist because the tiny bit I had left in the paint gun. And right here, as you can tell, it kind of sticks out. So that was my bad. You know, this is only my second time ever spraying metallic because down here was the first time. And so yeah, that's how it's gonna look. But and then here's this side. You can really tell the color. I really like it. I didn't realize like its true color until I saw it in the sun, and man, it looks amazing. But because I mixed it, guys, it's almost like a chameleon. Like if you get it in the sun, it's like a complete different color. So definitely not gonna be able to match it again, so it's definitely a one and done. I mean, I could try and get it really close, but I'm never gonna get this color again. But it turned out amazing, guys, except for those two little spots on the one side, but the rest of it turned out really good. This and that. So I mean, I haven't taken a really close look on the inside yet, but I'm sure it's just fine. So time to tape this off and move on to the next. All right, so here's another look at the color in the sun. I'll add some pictures too of some good shots I got of it. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you the progress I made before I close up the shop. And I got all the blue covered up. I got paper covering the whole outside. And I got the brackets covered off and the hoops. And it's all taped off now. And I actually opened up the back there because the next color is going to be red. So I was going to do the sides of the seats here, that like brace back there, and then I was going to try to do underneath the seats. Just going to see how that goes, but I just wanted to show you how I got it all covered up. And yeah, so my thought process was this wouldn't be enough red, and I'm hoping that I still have enough red left to, well, it would be nice to get that one painted, because I think I actually wanted it blue, but that didn't happen. I kind of forgot about it until I was actually I was taping off the top, the blue over here, and then I was like, well, it would be kind of cool to do the red underneath so it's not just all silver. And then I just decided, since I wanted to add some red, this is like maybe a third, but I was gonna add some silver to it to make it metallic-y, just like the blue. And I think it should look pretty good here. So if tomorrow is in my favor and it's not too windy or anything, then I'll probably get it painted. And then by the end of the week, should be able to get the silver, the whole inside silver too, and have it all done. So the goal is to have it all painted by this weekend. Well, by the end of the month, which I think is this weekend. So then I can finally just start putting it back together. The board back here, I got some lights to put in it. I got my seat to finish for it. I also got the plastics for the four-wheeler to finish. Those should be coming soon, I'd like to think. So I don't know, I kind of wish I had help for those, but we'll just see what happens. And then I gotta rewire the trailer and put the lights on it. So definitely still a few things left, but definitely making progress, and it's ready for its next coat. So I'll just have to find time to do that and a good day. So As long as it's not windy, I can paint. So wish me luck.